We have more Australian cruise cancellations, and a question, should Carnival Cruise Lines ban clowns? Let's get into it right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, P&O Australia has canceled all cruises to Australia and New Zealand through February 14th of 2022, and Princess Cruise Lines has canceled all Australian cruises until March 14th, 2022. All these cancellations are simply related to the uncertainty in any Australian cruise restart at this time. They just don't know what's going to happen. They just don't know what's going to go on. And more cruises are going to cancel until they get some kind of path to a cruising restart in Australia, whenever that might be here in the future. Hopefully sooner than later. But anybody's cruises that were affected by these cancellations, you should be receiving an email from the cruise line letting you know. And if you have any questions, of course, check your cruise line's website. And should Carnival Cruise Lines ban clowns? You're probably asking yourself, what is he talking about, banning clowns? So I have a cruise comment I'm going to read to you today. That way you can give your opinion on it as well. It says, I have written twice now with no answer yet. Please, this is urgent. Our cruise is just 3 days away. I know it is Halloween, but I must know if Carnival will protect me, plus all of the 12% of Americans who have a fear of clowns. Chapman University has said that coulrophobia, I'm not 100% positive that's how you say that, but can be a debilitating fear. No clown should be allowed. I should not have to be cruising with this on my mind. All right, so that is a fear of clowns. And of course, we all know Carnival Cruise Lines is not going to ban Halloween costumes of clowns just because somebody might have a fear of clowns. Look, the honest answer is if you see a clown coming, you can either go the other way, or perhaps sailing during Halloween when costumes can be worn and will be worn on some cruise ships and cruise lines. That may just not be the best time for you guys to cruise if you have a fear of clowns or costumes. But let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Should Carnival ban all clowns from the cruise ships? Let me know. Alright, I hope you guys have enjoyed this quick cruise news video. If you have, do me a favor. Let's give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.